Right there we got a crack right in the shifter. The whole shifter assembly cracked. Got stuck in reverse. Couldn't get it out of gear. Whole thing broke off. Looks like the first thing I gotta do is disconnect this cable right here. It's got, feels like Phillips, 2 Phillips screws on the back side there. Unscrew those.
I'm jumping. I'm jumping. No. Nope. Microphone, you can't see.
The entire shift assembly just snapped right off. Clean break. The only thing holding it together is this cable right here. There's the screw right there. It actually wasn't a Phillips head, it was a star bit. It's a star bit right here for the screw. There's one on each side. One here, one on the other side. Okay, I got those 2 screws out. It's got a spring, the little rod connected to the cable that goes in the hole there. And then 2 screws. Now this whole thing is broken off. There would have been a bolt up top there, but that broke off. And then it snapped off right there. Got one more cable. Looks like it's plugged in right here. Take the shifter. Take the old shifter out. And then I gotta get these bases off. Get that wire unplugged. I gotta slide this little thing out. And then unplug this white plug right here. So now I can take this whole assembly out. I'm gonna have to save this shifter. I need that. The rest of it is toast. If there was another star or hex bolt running through the shifter into here, just unscrewed that and took that off. Now here's one piece of the broken assembly. You can see it snapped off there. It snapped off up there at the bolt. Now the next step is to get the rest of the assembly off. Looks like a 14mm up there, and then another hex screw down there. See where it broke off up at the top. 3 spots snapped off. Alright, next thing I gotta take off is this 10mm nut right here. And then I gotta get that cable off to get to that broken piece. Just gotta keep unscrewing this bolt. Get this off. Then I'll take this cable off. Alright, I got that bolt out. Now I gotta disconnect this cable down here. I might be able to salvage this piece. Looks like the only broken part is this back one here. So I could probably salvage this front piece and just replace those back there. This part here looks like it has no damage on it, so I'll keep that on and I'll change those out. Next thing I gotta do, I gotta get this hex screw out, and then there's another one up there. The other screw broke off, so I don't have to worry about that one. I almost got that screw out. Just gotta, here it comes. I got one screw out, and I gotta get the other one way up there. Almost got the whole assembly out. I just gotta get that one last bolt out there, way back there. I'll get that out. And then that broken piece will come out, and I can replace it with the new one. Put this back together. Get this thing going again. Here's that socket that I was using. It's a T30 star socket to get those last two bolts out. Way back there. Gotta attach it to my socket wrench. Unbolt it. I have that attachment on an 8mm socket connected to the ratchet. Go ahead and unscrew that. Once I get that unscrewed, I'll take this thing off the rest of the assembly. Almost got that screw out. Oh, there it goes, I got it. And here's the broken piece. See, it's snapped off. Snapped off here. Snapped off right there. Alright, so that piece sat on there like that, and then it snapped off in 3 places at the top. So I gotta replace this entire assembly. Gotta get this base off. It looks like there's a bracket holding it on the back side here. I went ahead and just took this piece off too. It was just pretty much clipped in there. Just had to pull it out. It's got a little pin in there. Got the new part. Just gotta replace it. Alright, here's the new shift assembly. Just got it. Gotta get this back mounted in there like this on those 3 mounting bolts, and connect it back into the shifter. Plug the cables back in, and we'll be good to go. I'm going to connect the actual shifter first back into here. Once I get it mounted in there, it's going to be too hard for me to get it in there. So I'll go ahead and do that first, and then I'll get this cable back in. I'll plug this wire back in, and then I'll connect it to the shifter rod right here, and then put the mounting bolts on. Got it connected on there. Just gotta screw it in now. Tighten it up and plug the wire back in. I got that piece lined up down there. I just gotta go pop it in right here. It's a little push-in pin. Need 2 hands. But just gotta push this in, clip it in, and then I'll get this cable in. Alright, got that connected. Now I gotta put this with the spring back into the slot here and put 2 star 2 star point screws. Alright, I got that cable back in. Now I just gotta screw it. Put the 2 screws in, and that'll be connected. Right there, 1 on each side. I got that bottom mounting bolt in. Got the cable up top here mounted in, and the other shift rod connected. Now I gotta connect. There's a screw here and a screw way in the back here that I gotta connect. It's hard to get in there. Got it screwed in, hand tightened. Gotta get an extension so I can get back there. I'm getting that bolt tightened up. Managed to get a ratchet back there. Getting it tightened up real slow. Got the other one already tightened. And then this third one snapped off at the base. So I'm gonna have to do some JB welding in a second. Unless these 2 bolts will hold it nice and snug. Almost got it all snugged up here. That's nice and tight there. And that's basically it right there. Connect these plugs right here. These 2 plugs for the light. Plug these 2 in. These 2 wires. And then there's one more mounting bolt, but it's snapped off. Snapped off right here, so I'm gonna have to try and get this screwed in and then JB weld the screw together so it'll at least hold it a little bit. But those other 2 screws are nice and tight, so it should be good. It's not going anywhere. I can shift. Get these consoles back on. Be good to go. Got it all nice and snug. Nice new shifter. Got the truck ready for another tournament. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more Hog Hunter Bros. We've got another video coming up, the Bass Busters Classic, November 5th and 6th.